Want to open and use your favorite mobile apps without picking up your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage apps with Phone Link on Windows. We'll check device compatibility, open mobile apps from your PC, and explore the features that help you stay productive. So let's get started. Before getting started, keep in mind that the Apps feature is available only on supported Android devices. It isn't currently available for iPhones through Phone Link, and some Android manufacturers offer more features than others. Next, make sure your Android phone is connected to Phone Link using the link to Windows app. Confirm that both devices are signed in with the same Microsoft account and that your connection is active. Yeah, this is required before you can access your apps. Inside Phone Link, click the Apps section from the left-hand menu. After a short sync, you'll see a list of supported apps installed on your phone. Select any app to launch it on your Windows computer. When an app opens, it runs in its own window, allowing you to interact with it using your mouse and keyboard. You can resize the window, switch between apps, and multitask just like you would with other Windows applications. If you regularly use certain apps, you can pin supported apps to the Windows Start menu or taskbar for faster access. This makes opening your favorite apps much more convenient. If your apps don't appear or won't open, verify that your phone supports the Apps feature, keep Phone Link and link to Windows updated, and make sure both devices remain connected. Restarting the connection often resolves temporary issues, and that's how to manage apps with Phone Link on Windows. Once everything is configured, you can launch and use supported Android apps directly from your computer without constantly switching devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.